Being a Bonvoy Marriott member with ambassador status, which includes platinum and titanium, provides you with the opportunity to be granted access to a club lounge as a special service. For instance, you can enjoy this privilege right now at the Renaissance Hotel in New York City's Midtown area. They possess an adorable, comfortable club lounge that, in my viewpoint, is simply furnished but still provides all the advantages of a club lounge, such as complimentary breakfast in the morning or a snack in the late afternoon, and naturally corresponding club beverages. Here you can see a breakfast. This is classic, as the Americans like it with scrambled eggs, sausages, bacon, and corresponding baked goods. Additionally, there are these timeless mueslis and naturally hot coffee and delightful orange juices. I relished the club lounge and I would definitely revisit that place.